Hello guys, it's me Gianna. Today I'm gonna make chocolate ice cream. Ooh, I'm so excited. Let's get started.
Sekarang Gianna sebutin ingredientsnya apa aja.
This is egg yolk. This is cream. This is milk. This is salt. This is vanilla. This is oh, I know. This is sugar. This is cocoa powder. And this is chocolate chips. Alright, first step, we will make the custard by mixing the egg yolk with the milk and cream. General pour cream and cocoa powder. Is this the cream? How many? All? Okay, I can do it. The cocoa powder. It's a little bit of salt coming right up. Come on! And then Mama will heat up this mixer. Shoot! Then we'll wait by eating one chocolate chip. Now then look for all the chocolate chips. The chocolate chips are getting covered up. Only if you like chocolate. Until we mix it. Dark chocolate. Now done.
Thank you.
We don't need the whisk.
Okay.
My egg yolk. Whoop. The egg yolk is melting. Another. This is egg yolky. And now it's time to heat up the milk and sugar mixture. Milk goes in next. This is gonna be so lumpy. That's okay. This is covering all the sugar. And now Mama will help to heat up this mixture. Tiny.
Pelan-pelan nanti matang. Nanti jadi telur itu.
Telur apa? Telur torak air. Do, re, mi, fa, si, do. Do. I'm mixing it now. This is gonna be chocolate ice cream. It's getting really dark. It's gonna be okay. Aha, I forgot. The salt and the vanilla. I think I want to taste this mixture. Okay, I'm gonna chill this mixture in the fridge before we pour it into the ice cream machine. Alright guys, I have changed my clothes and this mixture is already cool. And now it's time to pour it into the ice cream machine. Wow.
Switch on.
Oh, this on?
Ya, both. Jangan.
Now close the lid, Mama. Close the lid. Now I'm closing the lid. Now it's time for the boring part. We have to wait. Alright guys, this is our ice cream. See you on the next video. I really love the ice cream. How it tastes.